Hair is still a freaking mess. Hi everyone, I figured I would vlog today. I'm just quick picking up some things for a video that I have planned, and I wanted to take you guys with me. I'm trying out this whole vlogging thing. I don't know where to look. I don't know if I need to look at the lens or at myself, like right above the lens. So, okay, I'm in the car and I'm on my way to Saratoga in just a second. Ugh. Like, I wish my camera mount worked because I would love to mount my camera right here and vlog the whole way, but it doesn't work right now because I don't have the suction cups and that's annoying. So I'm on my way to Saratoga right now to head to my aunt's soap shop, and I thought I'd bring you guys with me. So here we go. Woman behind it all.
Hey.
She makes the soap here. This is my Aunt Marissa.
Hair looks so good.
It's all fake.
I know,
All
but
extensions.
it's good.
That's why it looks good. Okay. How did you get into making soap?
It was a hobby.
And then you started with just soap, and then you went on to bath bombs and candles and beard stuff.
Beard oil.
Yep.
Beard soap, wine soap, regular soap, face soap, shave bars.
And now you're here.
And I'm here.
Okay, so I'm looking for uncolored soap. Just like the natural soap color. It doesn't matter if it has scent in it or not.
What natural is like out right now? These covers. They're just plain bars of soap.
Okay, there's no scent?
No. These are just regular soap. This one does. This one's lavender.
What's this one?
Nothing.
Oh.
That's what it smells like when there's no scent. Why do you need uncolored?
You'll find out in my next video. OOTD. Ooh.
What are these?
Ow, shit. Ripped out.
Come
Ow.
experience the difference on March 19th at the
Help me.
Capital Center with Mazzoni Hospitality.
Can you help me? I don't know what I just did, but I clamped my ear in the...
Enter a room filled with tinted wedding displays.
You have to take this off.
DJs.
How did you do that?
I don't know. I can't fix it though. Ow! Black like my soul. Ooh! Look at how that's hitting the light. So pretty.
The black is my favorite.
I love that.